At its peak, this company was doing $700 million a year, and Intuit bought it for $12 billion in one of the largest tech acquisitions ever. But it never started as a serious company. It actually started out as a side hustle by two founders who couldn't raise a dime of venture capital. Ben Chestnut and Dan Kurtzius were running a tiny web agency in Atlanta when they started building email tools for their clients just to survive. They had no intention of changing the world. Eventually, in 2001, one of those tools became MailChimp, a simple but scrappy product for small business owners who couldn't afford enterprise software like Oracle and Salesforce. But they had a major problem. None of their investors actually believed in small businesses. They heard things like there's no scale and small business is not the future of technology. Then Ben and Dan made a decision that would define everything. They told their investors to pound sand and decided to bootstrap the company. And they decided to go all in on the underdogs, the small business owners, the entrepreneurs, the mom and pops on the corner shop, the creators, and the overlooked. And that's when MailChimp exploded because it solved a major problem, one that the tech elite did not care about, giving small businesses world-class tools at a price that they can afford. So they reinvested every single dollar. Then they added automation, templates, and eventually analytics, resulting in a brand so loved by its users that even people who never used the product knew about the chimp. By the 2010s, MailChimp became the default email platform for millions of small business users. They had no venture capital, they didn't have a massive burn rate, but they had relentless focus and an obsession over the small business customer. And after 20 years, in 2021, Intuit bought MailChimp for $12 billion, making it one of the biggest bootstrapped exits in history, and proving you don't need investors to build something enormous. You just need a product that people love and the discipline to keep going when nobody else believes in your market. MailChimp didn't raise money, but it did raise an army of loyal customers, and that is what made it worth billions.